Welcome back, traders. We're trying to get this content out for you guys every night. Catch the live streams, live price action. We are in a long right now on Dodo USDT perp. 3x long here live on Binance. We might get disconnected for just 1 second here. Alright guys, I will be right with the chat here in just 1 second. Alright, everything is good. You guys can all hear me? Wonderful. All right, so we're in a live Dodo trade here. I just thought it was a funny name, man. Like the Dodo bird, like is an extinct bird these days. Catchy name though, right? I mean, Dodo. I thought it was funny. What do I know? How's everyone doing tonight? We're just patiently waiting for this pattern to play out. All right. Am I sitting in the dark? No, I'm not sitting in the dark, but I think the light is a little further back than normal, which could be why I'm maybe coming up weird on the screen right now. So this pattern, you know, is indicative usually of downside, but because we're in a bull market and because of these lows and these higher lows we've been making, I think this pattern is going to play out to major upside potential here. Even if we get a move up to like 460, I think that's the 4-hour moving average here. And the 4 hour is also showing us here on the DMI that we're in a major squeeze, and that we had this this divergence here on the MACD oscillator that we just got this cross up here. This is looking nice, man. This is looking like we're going to make a major move on this asset. All right. Where do I think UMA is going to go from here? I mean, it had a 200% measured move, so it's probably going to continue higher. If I had to guess without even looking at the chart, you guys can see that you know, a major pennant here on a UMA, major pennant. And the measured move is like 200-something%. So yeah, I mean, I would say that we're going to head up to the next Fibonacci level here, which is around that $31. You know, we might consolidate and spend some time here first before proceeding higher. Obviously, you can see the volume receding. So once you see the volume receding like that, you know we're going to go back into a squeeze and potentially make another move up. All right, link check out Link. I looked at it today. But yeah, inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We got up to this neckline here and pulled back. We're making like this cup continuation pattern, looks like. And we can see that here on the MACD oscillator. We're showing that a hidden bullish divergence here. All right, you can see it. That we're going to probably make moves back to the upside here on the hourly. Yeah, Trent, no worries, brother. Was my thumbnail catchy enough for you guys tonight? I tried to make it real bright and real out there. I don't know if it was good enough, but it's all good if it wasn't. I just, you know, we made a TikTok video today about Dodo, so I figured I'd do a little stream on it. I'm also in a live trade on it, so I also wanted to cover that too. Okay. Eric, you didn't miss much, brother. I'm in a long here on Dodo, $4.05.8. All right, this is looking, I mean, obviously the trend right here is down, but we can see this consolidation and this rounding bottom happening here. I suspect we get a push to the upside, nice push to the upside here. All right. And that's exactly what we're getting right now, guys. We're getting a move up. Are we done with Cardano? No, man. Cardano is going to make major moves, guys. All right. Litecoin on the move. Yep. Seb. FTM on the move. We called that out in the alert service this morning. Guys, let me show you guys some of the calls from this morning, all right? You guys are new and you guys don't know what we do here. But this morning, guys, let's start with the FTM call out. That was a big trade today. All right, we called this out at 46 cents. All right, bullish pennant. I'm going to show you guys my trade result on that. I mean, here's some folks' trade results just in the chat. This guy was up $500, like, you know, not even you know, an hour or two after I posted the trade setup. Okay. GRT, I gave a re-entry here at 211. That thing ripped up to backed up to 220. Here we're looking at Dodo when it was $4 earlier today. I scalped this up. I scalped it up here, made it a quick $130 and re-entered it around that $4.05 area. All right. All right, so these are all the live trades from today, just from the crypto side of things. We had a great stock day today too. We called out CGC. I pretty much closed out around a 40 or 50% profit today on the options. And the day before was an 81% day. I mean, Tilray, I'm still in this swing. This is probably lit right now. I haven't even checked it, to be honest. All right, here are some of the gains from today. Here you go. Here's the Tilray swing I posted. It says I was up 28%, but I think it was more than that because I started this swing a couple days ago. And my SPY calls were up, you know, almost $3,000. Just space calls were up. Here's the CGC, you know, up 22%. It was actually up way more than that towards the end of the day. You can see how it closed, over $33. Give us discount to join me. Yeah, we could do that. If you guys want to pay in crypto, you can message me on the Discord. Let me get that in the chat here. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll make a stream discount link for you guys. All right. We'll get that sorted for you, Satoshi. If you want, you can message me in the Discord. if any of you folks also are looking for that something like that, you know, whatever, just message me in Discord. Let me post the link, the Discord here. It should be in the link in the description, but if it's not, let me get it up for you guys. All right. Yeah, so Dodo looking pretty good, up 2% on the day so far. I think, like I said before, major moves incoming for this asset. We made higher lows here on the 4-hour. We took an entry around here earlier today, and we're about to cross above this major moving average here. And you can see we're in a 4-hour Bollinger Band squeeze as well. This is looking pretty nice. I'm up 9.58% in the trade, 234 or 224 US dollars. Bitcoin's on the move. We'll take a look at it. Is Dodo too late to enter? I don't think so. Not if you're going to swing trade it and stay in for a couple days, maybe a couple weeks, right? You know, in terms of a scalp trade, it's probably too enter for a scalp trade, but for a longer term swing trade, I think it's good. Like I said before, we're in a downtrend. We're probably going to round out this bottom here and try to rally out of it. So I don't think it's too late to enter now. This isn't financial advice either, guys. Make sure you guys do your own due diligence and check the charts yourselves and set your stops and set your take profits and do all that fun stuff, you know? The AMC made a run today too. Yep. GME made a run today. Guys, I want to show you a stock that I actually entered on Monday. All right. I didn't even realize this, but they actually partnered with a Bitcoin mining company, and this thing is pumping after hours right now. It's up 6%. And this is one of these stocks I think has got plenty of room, plenty of legs to run even higher than it already. I mean, this is a brand new stock, man. It just started like a month or two ago, you know? I think BTC will get to close to 200K by the end of the year. By the way, guys, if you're looking to purchase on the website, you can use the discount code here. All right. Satoshi Nakamoto, that's for you. You can see this coiling up here on this stock, which is what I really liked about it. Like I said before, I think we've went through this before on the streams before. Look, we go to the BLX, okay. On the website, can the payment be made with crypto? No, not just yet. We're actually getting that. We're getting that figured out. You can message me, man, on Discord. I'll get you sorted. All right, Eric. I'm Mr. Know-It-All in the Discord. Just feel free to message me whenever you guys want. There you go, man. We got a guy right here that's up over, looks like over $1,200 right here on his trades today. I think a lot of this stuff's going to retrace, or a lot of this stuff's going to recover from its retrace, yeah. Anyways, back to the Bitcoin estimation for the end of the cycle. I'm thinking up here, close to 220 to 280. All right, so somewhere in that $200,000 area. The reason why I'm saying that is because every single cycle here, we've the 272 to 2414 fib extension we've topped out at. We can't really go by this cycle, right? This is the first impulse, so we can't really go by that. But by the next cycle and the third cycle, we can, we can kind of get an idea of what maybe it will do, right? So this cycle 40x, this cycle 20x, we might 10x, right? So from this top, we're looking at 190K, close to 200K, right? That area. Short term, like next couple days. What do you mean? Like BTC? I'm talking probably by the end of the cycle, which could be, it could be July, it could be October. I don't know. It's tough to say. I called out Doja a couple days ago, man. I think Doja is going to go, man. Definitely going to go. It looked pretty good on the chart. And there was the breakout, right? Breakout right here. Back test. Continuation. I think this is a little bit of a better chart. Here it is. So, yeah, so we had this parabola looking structure. We rounded out. We broke out. We back tested. We're rallying right now. And yeah, I think it's going to go much higher. Can I explain the S&P DMI? Yeah, sure, absolutely. So the DMI, let me get a better chart for you guys. So the DMI is the directional movement index. Okay, these two up and down bands here are basically Bollinger Bands, and the median trend line here is just a median, right? So it's actually a fast moving average on the RSI, or this yellow line right here is actually the RSI, right? So on the hourly we're already looking like we're overbought. We just broke out of a squeeze though on the hourly, and so you want to use like a divergence indicator to see how overbought you are. We're at 67 on the RSI. In my opinion, plenty of room to the upside here on the 4 hour, which is what I'm trading this on. It was trading in this tight range here for quite some time, and now you guys can see that we're continuing this move higher. We're up 11% on this trade right now. We entered at $4, 5.8 cents, and the chart actually looks pretty, like we're at like a bottom, right? So this is like looks nice. We can get maybe a nice retrace back up to this 480 area. I think in some time, maybe a couple days or something. I don't know how long this trade's going to take. So we're in it. I'm going to set the stop here above my entry, so we can't lose the trade. Okay. That's always the most important thing, guys, is always set your stops. All right. Can you explain the S&P? I just did that. And we look at Solana. We can look at that. We can look at XRP. Sure. You can look at all those. Hey, what's going on, man? Solana looks pretty good, actually. That's a 1 minute chart. But I like how it's down sloping and consolidating like that. It looks pretty good. Yeah, Solana broke out of the pennant, right? We're showing it though. The daily hidden bullish divergence. You guys can barely see this red histogram right here, but it's there. It's implying it right here. You can see it. Just there, but it's there. It counts on the daily especially. All right. That's daily hidden bullish divergence showing here for Solana. Implying price action back to the upside. All right. That's what we're getting. We're getting this move out. This is a pennant structure here. We just broke out of it. And we're going to come back up to test the top here around the 1650 area in the coming days, all right? We look at XRP. That was the other one, I guess, that was requested. Getting close, man. Getting close to that breakout area. All right, XRP looking ready to rock on the daily here. All right. Mr. Gamble, I am in Dodo right now. What'd you guys think of the thumbnail tonight? Was it catchy enough? Rome, you're the guy. I'm asking on this one. My thoughts on ANA. I actually never heard of that one. Take a look at it. Is that a stock or something? Mr. Gamble, is that a stock? ADA. Yeah, ADA looks great, man. We covered it earlier. We literally just covered this, man. But we'll cover it again. No worries. Can see the rounding happening here, right? Looks good. Got these levels marked off because you have these wicks up here to break it back above. Once you break it back above them, no problem to break these highs. All right. Dodo is breaking out as we speak, guys. That's good news. Look at that volume coming in. How to find the best SAR version 3 settings for random coin. Yeah, I'm actually long GRT, man. I actually took a GRT trade earlier today. I was in a GRT trade last night at $1.84. I actually got out of it around that 213 area. I thought that was enough profit for me. It was like a $650 profit I took on the GRT trade. I'll actually show you guys the trade history on that. Show you where I got to exit out of that. So, there it is. Yeah, you can see I exited here. 212 today. Exited 320, almost 400. Another 200. You know, what is that? 320 plus 200. That's 520. Plus 80. That's $600 profit. Okay, on this trade on GRT. All right. Dodo looking pretty good. We're up $320 on this trade right now. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Come on, man. What other YouTuber is literally just giving you this free information right now? We came on stream and Dodo was like 409, guys. Come on. Let's get some hype in the chat for Dodo coin right now. In terms of the settings, brother, you could ask that in the Discord, man. I'm not gonna probably give those on stream because I'm actually using a different version of the SAR right now. My risk is $2,400. Yep, $2,470. I'm on a 3x leverage. I'm up to about 12% on the trade right now. Well, I'm going to take some profit here, guys, while live on stream. We'll take our $275 for tonight. All right. That looked like a nice trade there. Guys, it's always good to book the profits when you have them. The reason why I took the profit there was because I see we're rejecting here this resistance area. I think we're going to get maybe a bit of a pullback. Well, we took the profit, Mr. Gamble. We weren't going to take the gamble on that, all right? We locked in our gains. We locked in our gains here live on stream for you guys. Although I do think that this is probably going to continue. I will look for a re-entry on this. 70%. Hey, man, are you a new subscriber? Make sure you post those gains in the chat, all right? And make sure you have a stop in the profit, man, so you don't lose those gains, all right? That's right, Mr. Gamble. That's right. Let's take a look at GRT. We have maybe a... ICX looks like it's consolidating. Let's go to live coin watch right now, guys, and see if we can find any coins that are showing us some crazy amounts of buying pressure. All right, guys, I'm showing you guys how I search for coins here on live coin watch tonight. Another great tool to use. We're gonna do condition by market cap. So that's 6 euros, at least a $15 million cap. And we're not trading some complete S coin. All right, now we sort it by the buying pressure. And well, you know, Dodo is got the buying pressure right now. We got out of this, but that's okay. Their data is a little off. The price is definitely not $3.97 right now. But this is just for reference, guys. This isn't a sole decision made here. Civic coin. Let's take a look at Civic, huh? Shall we? Civic is always a good performer. Take a look at it. Yeah, it's already made a move. Find something else. All right, let's also go to our crypto screener. Bid shares on a 15-minute. Yeah, we can look at those. Give me a second. Ocean. Let's look at Ocean. It looks like it might be on the move right now. Ooh, we got the long signal here on Ocean, guys, on the 4-hour. All right, we're going to take a small position here on Ocean, guys. All right, we got some risk on here on Ocean. We got some 15-minute long signals in. Looks like a cup continuation pattern here. We're in a breakout right now. This is about to close as a long signal here in about 7 minutes, so that's pretty promising here. We crossed the squeeze to the upside here, and you can see we made this bullish divergence here that's playing out, starting to play out here. Hey, good morning, man. Good morning, brother. If you guys just missed it, we just closed the trade on Dodo in a profit of, forget, was it like $300, guys? Why is this so messed up right now? That's not right. We limit sold at 420. I typically market buy to get in and then limit sell, but I don't know why it's not showing that. That's weird. Showing the GRT sells. Did they really screw me out of a profit on that? I mean, you're safe to just take profit all the way up, man. We can't know exactly where it's gonna go, right? Think about that. going on, Kyle? So we add a little bit down here as it retraces before it tries to make another high. Four hour looking really nice on Ocean, man. We looked at LTC earlier, brother. We looked at XLM last night, man. There's not probably too much that changed, to be honest. You know, there is a super chat button if you guys feel I deserve some tips. You guys have earned some nice income here on the streams with me. Dodo back to making moves. Let's actually look at Ocean on the Litecoin watch real quick. No, we haven't had a look at ETH, but yeah, I'll definitely take a look at it. The more buyers and sellers here on Binance. Way more buyers here on Poloniex. Way more buyers here on Gate. And no data on the Binance USDT pairing, but if I had to guess, there's probably more buying happening than selling. Being as though the price is this price is pretty close, but these prices are not so good. Report a missing market. Well, I mean, this site isn't so good, man, like right now. Usually it's pretty good. But I like what I'm seeing here on the 2 hour. We're implying price action to the upside on Ocean. We're going to probably DCA this position a little bit more. And we'll probably set a stop here below this area here, below this 150 area. The super chat? I don't know. You guys should be able to see the super chat. I don't know where that is on your screen. It's in the live chat area. Before you type something, you should see like a custom emoji. Here, let me show you on what I see. So here's the super chat function is right here. That button right there. So we're looking at ETH. Is that what we want to do? Yep, we're coming up to this resistance area here on this 1873 area. Gregsy, if you're just joining, we had a profitable trade on Dodo that we entered at 4.0, I believe it was 5.8 cents, and we exited around $4.20 for a $320 profit. And now we've entered Ocean around $1.54 here and change. So we're down a little bit on this position right now, around 3%. But the hourly and 2 hour look like a nice impending price action to the upside. Amir, thank you so much for the super chat, brother. Appreciate that. And we'll look at LTC and XLM, all right? I'm not seeing the cross down you're seeing here on the 15-minute, brother. I see building positive momentum here on the 15-minute chart. Am I a little late on entering this? Yeah, I'm late. I'm a little late. Will this trade be okay? Yeah, I think this trade will be okay. Let me look at XLM and LTC real quick for Amir. XLM going into a tight squeeze here on the 2 hour chart. Yeah, this looks pretty nice, man. XLM looks nice. Looks like it's going into a major squeeze here. And this 2 hour looks nice. We're creating this positive momentum again. Go to the 4 hour for a second. 4 hour also looks nice, right? We're sitting around 70 on the RSI. I think a big move is coming for XLM. Can I explain why I exited Dodo while it's still going up? Because I took profit, man. I mean, I wanted to get into another trade. I could have stayed in the trade. I think I might want to get into XRP. But yeah, Dodo, I'll definitely look to re-enter for sure. Dodo probably has a lot more left in it, to be honest. I just got impatient. I just wanted to take my profit. I was up a nice, $300 on it. You got to secure that stuff. The whole point of trading, guys, is to continue to accumulate more cash, more capital, so you can, eventually take more risk, take more trades on, and continue to build up an account, right? I think FTM definitely will continue. Yes. Yeah, I had a nice breakout today. You might get a day where you back test this, and that could be happening right now. We could come back down and back test this 48.5 area and then pivot and run again. All right. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin, nice, all right? Falling wedge, breakout. Got the continuation here. Coming up to the 50% retrace area, which is or the 61.8% retrace area, which is the golden mean ratio zone for a retrace. We just crossed up here on the daily. All right, we had that hidden bullish divergence that's playing out right now. We're seeing this movement to the upside. But yeah, I mean, Dodo, I might have left some on the table, man. It is what it is. You know, like I said, it definitely could continue. Okay, but you know, we had a really good entry. I was up. You know, you guys saw it before. I was up like 15% on the trade. It's good to just take profits when you have them, man, because you want to sell into strength. You don't want to sell while the asset's crashing, right? Going back to Ocean, obviously, because we're in this position right now. But if I had 2K to throw into an entry tonight, where would you put it? That's a tough one, man. I mean, I am kind of a little impulsive sometimes with my decision making, which can cost me money sometimes. But if I see something that looks really attractive, I'm going to go for it. Looking for short swing trade, yeah. I think Ocean's going to be good, man. I mean, look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks really nice. In terms of short, I don't know how short this is going to be of a trade. Hang on 1 second, guys. Yeah, so Ocean, like I said, looks good on the 4 hour. Here, the impending price action is to the upside here. The 3 and 4 hour charts are about to cross up the 2 hour. Just actually crossed up right here. All right, so the hourly obviously just starting to create this positive momentum, and we can see that, you know, we might be doing a back test here. Is there an entry on Ocean? Well, I entered a little bit higher, obviously. We might be coming down now, so that's okay. I just I will dollar cost average this position. I'm in a long-term bag of Algorand. But yeah, that probably looks good right now too. We kind of missed this one, guys, but this is basically about to be in a breakout once it gets back above this $1.25 area. All right. So yeah, this could come back to back test the $1.47 area, Ocean. We could just wait for that. I might wait again to maybe add more to the position. You know, we're waiting for maybe another higher low here is what we're looking for. We know that the 2, the 3, and 4 hour charts are implying impending price action to the upside, right? So we could wait for that. We forgot to look at those. I'm sorry, man. But yeah, falling wedge breakout, or not falling wedge, bullish pennant breakout. You know, rejected right at the 50% retrace area, but came back down, made a higher low. Looks like it's probably going to pivot and continue, okay? This is on the weekly chart. See the volume we're seeing? There's probably going to be some volume that comes in either the end of this week or next week, all right? That's EOS Atom. We looked at Atom last night. We can take a look at it again tonight. Looking good. We got that. We actually got that. Looks like we got that that pennant breakout earlier today. All right, we got the pennant breakout earlier today. We're coming back down to back test it right now. Looks like. All right. Obviously, the major target is like 26. And once we get above that, you know, we're looking, you know, up to maybe like 35 and then 38 areas, right? Hey, awesome, Amir. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Hydro, that is stock. Or is that a crypto? How are you expecting to chart this, man? I mean, Hydro looks like, you know, looks like it's rounding out. All right, looks good. Yeah, I'm not really trading. I'm not really gonna trade much tonight. Just probably just trade some Ocean here. Probably swing trade this. It's probably gonna take a couple days to play out, to be honest. Got these hourly longs that are coming in here, so this could take some time. Trying to figure out where I should add. I'm probably gonna add somewhere right when I see us start rounding out here. I'll be looking to add some more Ocean. Yeah, I do think ETH will retest the all-time highs. Yep, in the coming days for sure. Looking at around this 147 area here on Ocean, guys. See if we get the move down there. Yeah, I'm looking actually maybe to maybe add here. We'll see how this closes on the 1 minute. I'm thinking we get you know, maybe a back test here, maybe a lower high, one more back test for a higher low, and then go. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for that higher low confirmation. All right. We're gonna wait. We obviously did enter a little bit up here, you know, this 154 area, so somewhere over here. So we are down on the position a bit right now, but I think we'll be okay. Our liquidation is like 96 cents. I think we're gonna be okay. It's not gonna drop 50%. And this could be the spot where it does it. We're showing this MFI green right now. We're just gonna wait though. It's probably gonna try to back test this area. If it keeps, that'd be great, right? And this would be a technical higher low. We know the hourly is flashing longs right now, and the 4 hour. So this could be a good place to maybe scalp it, guys. If you guys are looking for a quick scalp up to you know, the buck 52 area, buck 53 area. Looks like we did get this 1 minute MFI buy signal in. We're gonna probably get a move up. Maybe I'll add a little bit more here. I mean, dude, like, I just look at charts, so I can't really tell you exactly how, you know. I think Dodo can do it for you, man. The 4 hour still looks really nice on Dodo. Amir, yeah, ETC could do it in a daily squeeze. Hey, what's going on, Randy boy? Yep, it's been in a bull cycle since it broke 1400, for sure. All right, we put in a second higher low here. We have a low and a higher low. All right, this is what we were looking for. Okay, we could be changing the trend back up to the upside on Ocean here. Not confirmed yet, but when you start making higher lows like that, that's usually a good sign. Looking good. Looking good. See if we can get back above this moving average here on the 1 minute. I think our average entry was like a $1.53.9. Yeah, all right, $1.53.9. So we're probably gonna come back up to test the top here. All right, yeah, you see the lesson learned here, guys, is we should have waited a little bit longer, all right, to get into this trade. That's okay. We didn't go crazy on the leverage, which is good, so we're not like too worried about getting liquidated or anything. But if you guys enter down here, I said you guys could get a nice little scalp trade here. All right, a couple percentage points, you know. LRC, yeah, sure. I pretty much got to my measured move, pulled back, and is now forming another bottoming type pattern here. All right, you guys see that? Pointing down right now, though, on the 4 hour. I mean, it all depends on what Bitcoin does, man. If Bitcoin decides to drop tonight, then yeah, all bets are off. All right. Yeah, LRC looks okay. You know, you might get a... Yeah, I mean, there is the argument of hidden bullish divergence here for LRC. You get a major move in the coming days. Major move. This is probably a nice little trade setup here on LRC. So good call on that. Looks good. You might get, you know, you might get one more back test here before you go, but good. How's Bitcoin looking? Take a look. Bitcoin looks good. Coming up to test right now. We got longs in here on the daily. This is looking really nice. We're about to have a nice trend reversal here for Bitcoin. Sure, we can look at cake. Cake's a baby. This could be a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? It broke the neckline here. Broke out. Careful, man. The 4 hour is already at 78 on the RSI, so we could come back down to back test this before we pivot again, right? Speaking of which, looks like Ocean is getting some rejection, right? See if we can end up making this higher low, though. I did say we would do something like that. I will be looking out for that. Uh-oh. We're breaking the bottom here, boys. We might have one more leg down, looks like. See how this 1 minute candle closes. If it closes above, we have a good chance maybe go back up. Well, looks like we're going to get a move down. Same. Yeah, so it looks like we're in a 1 minute squeeze to the downside right now. I guess you could look for, I mean, if you really wanted to short this, you probably could. RSR, yeah, we could look at RSR. RSR looking like it on a retrace right now. The 4 hour cross down here on the MACD. Might do something like this where it comes back down, cups out, continues. This does look like a, you know, a cup pattern. You might get the cup with handle for continuation. All right. DHC is already in the moon, man. I wouldn't touch this thing. Maybe look for a short opportunity up here. I think it's done a crazy move already. But I would wait for it to retrace and confirm a lower high before shorting it, probably. All right. So for now, I personally wouldn't do anything with this. So just wait. Still looks okay to me. We haven't, as long as we don't break these lows. This is just a back test. So it looks to be a back test. Things can change, you guys know that. But see how this goes, man. This looks like if we close this candle green, that would be a great sign. So we might get one more candle down. We did touch the supply line here. We didn't close below it, so that's a good sign. But we'll see how this candle opens. Yeah, I suspect we come down a little bit more. Maybe we make some sort of cup pattern. Is ETH gonna dump more? I don't know. It could. It could come back down to backtest this 1850 area. Right. Yeah, we are throwing some shorts up here, man. So be careful on the ETH. We could maybe build a short position if you want. Looks like we might. Looks like we actually might retrace back down to 1700. All right. So that's a possibility. Not confirmed, but it's definitely a possibility. Yeah, I literally just said that, man. I think we could come back down to these areas here if we end up topping out here and you know, get a pullback. You know what I want to look at actually is the market cycle chart. That'll really tell us what's going to happen. Guys, this chart is it's pretty cool. It'll tell you all the different things happening on the chart. And so, but right now, yeah, I mean, you can kind of see this is on the hourly, to the 4 hour. Yeah, so Bitcoin maybe coming up to a potential spot where it could get resistance, but still think we might be okay for longs right now. Alright. Because this doesn't look bullish to me yet. The dominance down here does not look bullish to me. It does look like it's in a falling structure. Alright, and maybe it bounces somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you have profit on Bitcoin, you should take some for sure. Like we could, you know, go up and then come back down and break out, and this come down and back test this area here, and then go back up, something like that. So that could be an area where we touch. All right, guys. Yeah, algo looks pretty good. Only thing is, it's got to break back above these levels here. Otherwise, you make a lower high and a double top, right? So that's something to watch out for. Looks like Ocean is pulling back right now. That sucks. Because Bitcoin's pulling back. Oh, I should have looked at that before I opened the trade. That's okay. And this rejection here. Yeah. Careful in the longs right now. I should speak, right? Because I'm in a right now. But Sounds good, Modern Gaming. I mean, this is actually just crossing up on the hour. We'll see how this goes. This isn't over yet, to be honest with you guys. But the market cycle chart looks like it might be hitting some resistance, right? No, I didn't close the ocean yet, but I'm gonna see how this goes first. Watch Bitcoin here for a bit. I'm only in Ocean right now, and I'm probably down a couple $100 on this trade right now. $400, yeah. This could be maybe a spot, actually, for Ocean. I say that because this is still technically a back test, right? And we're entering this red band territory, guys, alright? The momentum still looks okay. We are sort of showing some divergence a bit. Okay. Dodo. This probably is not a bad area to enter. Got some rejection. Yep. You guys can see it's back testing here right now, right? That's quite the candle down though, so just be careful with that. But that has a lot to do with Bitcoin dropping off here a little bit. I would probably wait until Bitcoin settles before entering, guys, to be honest. Yeah. Exactly. Guys, just wait for Bitcoin right now. This could be the bounce and higher low it needs to reset the oscillators here. It's sitting around 55, 55.1. Be careful in your longs, guys. I was telling you guys before that, you know, we're coming. You can see the resistance here is building, right? Yeah, we're flashing sells here on the MFI for Bitcoin. I mean, we're also flashing them back here. But if you notice, we were in like negative momentum back here. I don't use a TD sequential, no. Well, let's see if we get a bounce here, guys. This would be a good spot to get it. If we were going to see continuation, we would like to see that bounce. May not happen. This could be maybe a good short. Getting red across the map right now. Bro, I don't know what's happening with that coin, man. We're getting a little bit of sell pressure here. I mean, the 4 hour is extended, right? We're 72 on the RSI. We could get an oscillator reset here before we continue again. Okay. Dodo's a good coin. I don't know, man. I was just trading it. It's in a bear flag, man, but it was looking good before Bitcoin started dropping, right? Push and trade I timed pretty poorly. SKL, yeah, we can look at it. Nothing to look at, man. Things straight up. Yeah, man, you had an inverse head and shoulders breakout, right? You could argue that the break was up here. This line right here, right? So yeah, you're probably going to get a pullback, man, especially if Bitcoin pulls back, which is looking like what it's doing right now. Weird how we literally were just looking at market cycle and we pretty much called the top on that. I probably should have waited to enter another trade, man. I feel kind of stupid. Okay, I guess it'll be okay. Still throwing longs. No. I think that's going to disappear though, because the price is probably going to drop. Awesome, brother. Great work, man. Wow, look at that drop. Amir, it's all good, brother. Profit's profit, man. Yeah, I am as well, man. I'm actually debating just maybe cutting this trade. I'm lucky I didn't really go crazy with the leverage, so that's good. But, yeah. That sucks. Welcome to trading, guys. See if Bitcoin can bounce here. We might be bouncing here, guys. Possible. Got a bunch of buy signals coming in here on the one. I mean, this is a 1 minute chart. What's that DXY doing right? Why's ripping? Yeah, I mean, we're showing bearish divergence. This would be probably an optimal place to take a short, right? But let's wait, because you want to confirm, like, we're probably gonna get a bounce, right? So let's confirm if we do get bought up here, you know, let's confirm a lower high. We're taking this short. All right, guys. I made a bottom and a higher low so far. Let's see if this is this was a little impulse down and retrace we needed, because this technically is still higher lows than these lows here. If you guys are looking for like a 1 minute scalp, this could be a nice long scalp here. All right, looks like we're gonna get a move back up at least to a lower high, maybe 54.9 or something. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you guys are interested in our services, make sure you guys head on over to swingtradepros.com. Check out our real-time trading indicators. If you guys like the alerts that I give here live on stream, I give these alerts live in the Discord as well. Stock options and crypto alerts. We give at least one crypto alert daily and one stock option a day. If you guys are interested in our SAR bot and are interested in automatic trading, guys, we have a 98.6% win rate with this indicator. What I think is happening with the price? Yeah, I think we're just gonna get a back test. If this, I mean, that hidden bullish divergence technically played out, right? We got a major move out, right? So if this is a local top, that sucks. You know, it would suck if we made a double top up here. You know, that'd probably be a major correction if this was a top, and you know we confirmed that. Maybe we'd go all the way back down to 40K. All right, not confirmed yet though. But if this is a lower high double top, we're gonna see how we open today. If we don't reverse the price action here and we do end up going down, then this is a double top. All right, because we did start to make this positive momentum already, so it's clear that the hidden bullish divergence could be done playing out. Not confirmed yet, guys, so don't do anything yet. All right, but this could be, if we don't end up making these higher highs, you know, this is a potential double top scenario. Okay. Not confirmed yet, guys. Not confirmed yet. We can easily reverse the price action here if we get buying coming in. All right. I do not believe this is the top. But the market cycle was telling us before. I was just showing you guys that this is in a falling wedge type structure where you know, we could get a move to the upside with Tether, and this calls a move to the downside for Bitcoin. And this neckline here, if we were to get it, you guys already know what that neckline is, right? You guys already know that that's you know, back here, back to the 51.6 area. If we were to get rejected up here, come right back down. Literally come right back down. What's going on, Static? All right. See, where did we go? Yeah, like I said before, I think we put a short-term bottom in here for Bitcoin on the 1 minute. All right. We're getting close to rich. Yeah, we're getting close to rich. Soon, man. Time is everything. Vladimir, I don't give financial advice on this server, man, or on the channel, bro. Looks like a bear flag though on the one. ADA and ETH are probably good bets, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I think ETH is definitely a great long-term play, yeah. Yeah, we're getting a continuation down, looks like. 15 here. We just crossed down on the MACD oscillator. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and lick my wounds on this trade here, guys. And maybe we could look to take a short-term scalp down. Looks like we could probably get away with that. You know what? I really wonder Engine Coin. That's probably a really good thing to short right now. Things in the moon. Look at that head and shoulders pattern it made on the 15 minute. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and short Engine Coin, guys. It's already down 13%. It's too much. Actually, that's SKL one, man. That thing's in the moon, right? Why don't we short this, guys? Yep, we just entered a short on SKL USDT. I just took a 10x little lev short here. Maybe I'll add a little bit more to it. Since it's up so much, it's probably gonna retrace nicely. We're already up nice, 48 bucks on this, so hopefully we get a nice move down on this. You guys are just joining, we just entered a short on SKL. As we know, Bitcoin's retracing right now and probably will drop further down. And this asset has moved up quite a bit and is definitely due for a pullback. The market cycle chart looks pretty good in terms of shorts on right now. You can see that we hit this top here. We're probably going to pull back. That's what we're doing right now. So a quick scalp down here for us on this SKL trade. You know, we're showing a nice profit already, 32 bucks. We took a little bit of leverage because we think that there's going to be a significant move down. Especially as the momentum here weans off of Bitcoin for a bit. So let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. Definitely not 50x leveraging. I mean, this is a really bullish chart, but we're so extended, man. We can easily retrace back down to 42, or even back down to 50 cents. Like, that seems real. So we're in a short currently on SKL. If you guys are just popping on. Dude, everything's about to get destroyed. We just pointed that out, that Bitcoin looks like it's going to pull back pretty hard. So we're going to get this pullback, guys. Look for those short opportunities. We're probably going to actually hold this trade. This is printing cash right now. We're up almost $186 right now, guys. We took some risk, $1,000. Perfect time to take this short while Bitcoin decides it wants to retrace right now. We licked our wounds on that ocean trade. We were down like, I think $500 while live on stream. Happens, guys. Our timing wasn't so good with entering. We should have waited. That happens, right, guys? So we realized that we made a mistake there. We got out, licked our wounds, waited for a nice entry here to short something that's up a stupid amount percentage-wise that's going to definitely make a retrace. This thing is up 72%. I would suggest that this thing can easily go back to 49 cents. This could take some time. Obviously, Bitcoin is pulling back here a bit. All right. I will let you guys know, absolutely. You can see the tether chart going up, right? In a falling wedge structure. Whereas the Bitcoin chart looks like it hit a top, it's pulling back, probably come back down to that area there. Not technically, nope. Today actually was an extremely profitable day. We did take a little bit of a loss. We did lose some of our profits earlier, but we are actually about to realize a nice short here on this SKL trade. Amir, that's definitely a strategy you could look at. Absolutely. Oversold and overbought, right? Verxist, I'm typically a profitable trader. I make mistakes though too, right? So we made a mistake earlier entering along on Ocean, and we took a $500-600 loss on that. But we're back in the trade here on this SKL short. I think we actually have lots of room to run down too on this. The 4 hour is like stupidly overbought. Now it looks like Bitcoin's trying to bounce right now. That cycle chart still looks like we might have some continuation down. All right. Dips are definitely looking like they're being bought right now. Trying to, anyway. I do think we're going to see continuation down, though, for a little bit. Used about the buy or sell when shorting. So when you're shorting, you're actually selling, right? You're borrowing the asset to move down on the price. So yeah, guys, we're still in this short right now on SKL. I think we're going to see a bigger move down, especially if Bitcoin continues to retrace here. And that's what our 4-hour chart is telling us. So we might see a move down. I mean, I'm just using Binance. Yeah, you just buy it back. Yep. That's right. Gonna go ahead and just stay in the short position here, guys. It is trying to bounce. I do see that. But it could just bounce to end up being a lower high, right? There's definitely going to be some volatility for sure. I still think this short's going to be good. Based upon how overbought this is on a 4-hour. This can definitely retrace like 10-15%. Eight hours overbought. Yeah, I saw. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. This is still bullish, right? It's like, you know, still making all these highs, but I still think we could get like something like this where we maybe make a falling wedge or something and then it goes. But on this downside, we can make money on the downside. I'm sure everything crashed initially there. Rose? Yeah, sure. Yeah, Rose got the fibs here, man. I mean, so we get a back test here probably around this 12 cent area. I'm gonna check my short, guys. This looks good. Rejecting this right now. We're going to get a big push down here on this SKL. As this loses its momentum. It's trying to hang on. But I think that this will push down. Still looks bullish, man, to be honest, but Bitcoin. I still think we're gonna get the move down, man, because of what the tether chart is telling us right now. Right, falling wedge on the tether chart. At least up here, this would probably cause Bitcoin to come down a bit. All right. And this is on a 4-hour chart, so yeah, tomorrow we could see some. We could wake up to a sea of red tomorrow. This is making a crazy wick. What's going on, Andrew? Yeah, we're looking at market cycle before, man, and it looks like Tether looks like a falling wedge, right? You guys see the falling wedge? So this could go up while Bitcoin, you know, retraces a bit. This is on a 4-hour time scale, but that's what I'm seeing here. Could get a bit of a pullback, and we took a short trade on SKL. See how this plays out while Bitcoin does its thing. All right, Bitcoin back testing that that $54,000 area. Even if Bitcoin goes back to 51.8, this SKL thing is going to get annihilated. Like, you're talking about 15%, 20% drop on this asset. On a 10x lev short, you're talking printing cash on that. So we'll see. This looks pretty good for the short side right now, for the moment. Like, we'll see how big of a retrace we get. Yeah, 53K. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds like right around this area here. Bowman, what do you think about the short on this asset? I don't know. This thing is like hyper bullish. Look, Bitcoin's gonna drop. This should definitely drop with it. We're already seeing a sea of red. Good thing we got out of that Dodo trade, man. No, you will just pay funding, like I think every day if you hold on to a position. So, but if you're pretty sure about the market direction, then it definitely won't matter. I'm in the trade. Yeah, I'm in a short trade. I'm in a short trade on SKL. Here we go, the break below 54 again. And SKL is tanking, boys. We're up almost $100 now. Let this thing tank, boys, girls. I'm not sure exactly. Got you, man. Got you. This thing is really volatile. Yeah, this looks like we're gonna head down on the hourly for sure. More. 2 hour just starting, it's moved down, you can see. You guys should smash that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Taking you guys through the motions here with what's happening in the market. Appreciate all you guys hanging out with me on stream tonight as we watch Bitcoin go through a little bit of a correction here. This is normal, guys. We want to see this back test stuff. How to handle it? Well, if you can't handle it, or if you can't understand what's happening, then just stay out of the market. Don't take a trade. Right? If you're unsure and you're not confident, definitely don't pull the trigger on something. Just wait. Wait till you're confident. Market's not going to go anywhere, man. Yeah, I'm looking at this area here. If we don't hold these lows, you know, this break, 53,276 area, if we break this area, we're definitely going to move down. All right. You know what, man? I actually took the Dodo trade at profit. I actually closed the trade on the stream in a $300 profit, man. So it was good. Then I longed Ocean at the top and lost 600 bucks. And now we're in a SKL short. We waited though. We waited for that rejection to come in. So yeah, and we're printing short signals right now on Bitcoin. So we should get a significant move down for the short term here. All right, guys. Some more tunes on for us here. Yeah, that's what they're doing, man. They're clearing the books. Again, guys, we're looking for a break below this 263 area. For the short side, anyway. I'm getting kicked off here, maybe. But we're in a short trade. So if we do regard this area as support, I will close this short up. All right. So far, we're printing a SAR short right now. We do have 10 minutes on this, though. This could exit. Yes, to inform you, we are showing signs of a pullback here on the USDT tether chart. Right, we can see the top portion here is Bitcoin, and we're getting this bit of a pullback here, and the tether chart is probably going to go up. So that would cause Bitcoin to go down, which is why we're short-term trading this. Oh yeah, let's check on that real quick. Man, this thing is already turning green on us. Well, I'm glad we exited somewhere down here before, so that's good. Yep. Yeah, I had a stop on it up here. I stopped out in profit. I wasn't even looking at it. I was looking at Bitcoin. See what Ocean looks like right now. Yep. So what, SKL is the only one that decided to rip off? That's funny. ETH? I think we're getting that retrace, yeah. We got shorts printing on ETH right now. Sure, that SKL. No, I had to stop in on SKL. So I got stopped out. You know, instant profit. I suspect this is going to go down, man. Further. I'm thinking about maybe re-entering this. Another lower high it made here. Let's go for another short on SKL. I didn't take an entry yet. I'm just waiting to see how this closes. And what Bitcoin's doing right now. Sitting around 54. I think Bitcoin's going to go down, to be honest. Starting to throw bullish divergence, but all right, we're in another short on SKL. See, we're going to set our stop right around that 55-cent area again. Still trying to rip up, I see. This is a nice rejection candle, though, if we do get this. And another lower high. Still think Bitcoin's going to dump, so this should follow it in a big way. We should get a move down. We're about to confirm a short on the 15-minute for Bitcoin. And we just got stopped out again. This thing is pretty bullish for a top that it's at right now. Dojiing up here. No, I don't. What happened with Bitcoin? Did we print a short? We printed a short and showing bullish divergence. Yep, I'm just waiting for confirmation again. Yo, what's good, Bobby? Looks like we might get a pullback, right? Because the tether dominance looks like it might be heading back up on the 4 hour here. So it seems like we're holding this 54,000 area right now. See if we actually do print this short signal. So 15-minute, maybe we get a push up, right? See the divergence here and the maybe the hidden bullish divergence here. This is on a 15-minute. But that 4 hour still looked pretty bad. It looks like we could see some further downside in the coming hours, all right? Could actually break out. If this breaks out, Bitcoin definitely will dump. Good luck to you, sir. We are showing a bit of bearish divergence here on the 6 hour. You guys can see that. Oh no, I'm good, man. I'm just... I would wait. I would wait. I think we're gonna see more downside. I'd wait to buy this dip. But see if we end up holding this 53 to 290 area, okay? If this holds, then we could probably trade in this range for a bit, right? Before we continue higher. But I'm suspect. I think we come back down to this 51.6 area. I think we break this and come down and go. That's what I think. falling 1500 or 51.5. Yeah, I would say around 51.5 or 51.8 even. Okay, we end up breaking down. All right. Hey, what's going on, Ben? We're just watching to see what Bitcoin does here. So we printed a 15-minute short, and now that doesn't necessarily mean that we printed one here too and we went up, right? So see how this goes. Like we've held those lows. Okay, we've so far held this 53,250 area. All right. Take a look at this market cycle chart again. I like the hour. Yep, definitely is. Let's see if we can get a further move down on Bitcoin here. Remember, we did print one short signal. Doesn't mean we get continuation on the short signal. Let's see if we do get some move down briefly. That 4 hour looked like we could see a move down. All right, so. See if this chart really is helpful in identifying that this will get a little bit of a correction, right? Yeah, I think we're gonna head down for a bit. Actually, that's what I think. Especially if we close this hour or this 4 hour below these highs or below these lows here, and especially if we close below 53.5 on the candle body close in like an hour. See how that goes. The RSI falls and the chart goes up, downtrend signals. I think we're going to see some sideways or downside action according to the market cycle chart, and my MFI signals are printing shorts here as well. So the market cycle chart is indicating, you know, maybe falling wedge structure here for USDT dominance, and a local top put in here on Bitcoin. We're going to come back down and test this support area here. I think, you know, this area here, this 52,625 area, that's going to be a critical spot, right? Looking left, you can see that area right there. Once we get this, if we get this pullback, right? So there we go. We're gonna just go sideways. Yeah, 15-minute is printing shorts right now, I think, right? On Bitcoin. Yo, Vidoosh, what's going on, dude? I think we're experiencing a short-term pullback, brother. That's not nice, brother. Yep, I think we're gonna see ETH go down, yep. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I'd wait, Badoosh, because it looks like we're going to see a continued pullback on Bitcoin. See what ETH's looking like right now. Showing some bearish divergence. Printing shorts on ETH. Should we take a short on ETH? As long as Bitcoin's bearish, I think ETH will go down with it. $17.40 maybe on ETH if Bitcoin continues down here. I mean, it's probably going to go down with the rest, right? We just broke back below 1800 on ETH. So the next real support is like this area, 1750, I would say. $17.40. No, Marcel, I got stopped out. Got lost like 20 bucks or something on that trade. Yep. Let's see. Did I check the fib levels? No, we didn't do that. We can though. Yeah, we got to the 786 and pulled back, so we could easily come back down like what I'm saying, around that 52,680 area if we don't hold these lows. Looks like we could be bottoming here. All right. Could be getting a bounce here for sure. You guys wanted to like scalp this, you could. We could get a bounce back up to like 54.3, I think. Trying around. We're still throwing shorts, but I don't know if I'd actively be taking a short here right now. I'd wait for a lower high to be made on like the hourly or something. You know, confirm this lower high and then maybe short it. Yeah, we're bullishly diverging here a bit on the 5-minute time scale. It doesn't really mean too much, but we could get a bounce here. Could at least like maybe touch back up to this 54.9 area. You know, wreck some of these people that are probably in shorts right now. Yeah, but this looks like a bear flag. Like we're heading back down. That's what it looks like. It looks like we're heading further down. Yep, looks like a bear flag for right now on the shorter time scale. We're really looking to break, if we're going to look in short side, you're looking to break that 53.3 area, right? And 53.6 area. Those are the real areas you could look to really breakdown trade for Bitcoin. It's all good, Andrew. I'm just kind of sitting back right now, figuring out what I want to do. What I want to trade or not trade right now. I think the market cycle is telling us something here, that we're going to see, you know, tether dominance go up and Bitcoin go down. Just kind of sit sideline for right now. Maybe scalp a short trade or something if we get a breakdown. All right, guys. Yep. I'm definitely macro bullish for sure. If ETH breaks 1740, we could definitely see some more downside. All right, I'm bullish as long as we stay above 1740. We come back down there and make a higher low. Yeah, be careful on SKL though. It's got receding bull volume, right? So it could be getting close to a top. Again, if this breaks below 53.6 on a candle body close, you know, we could see continuation down. All right, it's looking that way. Well, all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream tonight. We got a little whiplash tonight in some of our trades, but that's okay. We had fun while doing it. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. Smash that like button on your way out. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and you like the content here at Swing Trade Pros. The Discord here is pinned to the chat. Make sure you guys check that out. Join the Discord. And we have a great community, wonderful community, so definitely check it out. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful night. We'll catch you guys maybe tomorrow. But watch out for this possible short-term drop if we break back below this 53.6 area and then ultimately this 53.300 area. Then we could really see a move down. Just be on the lookout for that. All right. Yes, sir. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful evening, wonderful week.